Are you looking to boost your productivity on Windows? Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone trying to stay organized, the right tools can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore 9 incredible apps and utilities that will help you get more done in less time. Let's dive in. First up, the new Outlook app. This built-in tool is a powerhouse for managing emails, calendars, and tasks. It syncs across all your devices and integrates with Microsoft To Do, making it easy to stay on top of your schedule. Next, if this then that, is a game changer for automating repetitive tasks. Connect your apps, services, and devices to create custom workflows that save you time and effort. For screen captures and recordings, the snipping tool in Windows 11 is a must-have. It's perfect for creating tutorials or troubleshooting with your IT team. And don't forget PowerToys, a collection of utilities that enhance Windows functionality. From multitasking with fancy zones to bulk renaming files with Power Rename, these tools are a productivity goldmine. Grammarly is another essential, especially if you write frequently. It checks your spelling and grammar in real time, offering suggestions to improve your writing. For note-taking and brainstorming, Obsidian is a standout. Its Markdown-based system lets you link notes and create mind maps, making it ideal for managing complex projects. Microsoft 365 remains the go-to for document creation, with apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It also includes Teams for collaboration and 1 terabyte of OneDrive storage. To streamline app installations, try UniGet UI, a GUI-based package manager that lets you install multiple apps at once. Finally, Flow Launcher is a lifesaver for quickly accessing files, apps, and websites without digging through the Start menu. These tools can transform how you work on Windows, saving you time and boosting your efficiency. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and updates from TechVerse. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.